In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to land your first job using Glassdoor. If you're just starting your career, Glassdoor can be a powerful tool to find roles, research employers, and prepare with confidence. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can move from searching to interviewing and ultimately to getting hired. First, create your Glassdoor account. Head to glassdoor.com and sign up using your email or your Google account. Complete your basic profile with your education, skills, and any internships or volunteer experience. Upload your resume so it's ready to go. Save it as a PDF with a simple file name, and make sure your contact information is accurate and current. Next, search for jobs and research the company before you apply. In the search bar, try keywords like entry level, junior, or the exact role you want. Use filters for location, job type, and experience level to zero in on the best matches. Save roles that align with your skills and goals so you can come back to them. Around the middle of this video is a great time to mention that you'll find a direct link to the Glassdoor website, plus the app download, right at the top of the description to make getting started easy. When a posting catches your eye, click the company name to open their profile. Review the About section to understand the size, industry, and mission. Read employee reviews to get a feel for the culture and day-to-day experience. Check pay and benefits to see typical salary ranges and perks. Then visit the interview section to preview common questions and difficulty level. This research helps you tailor your application and prepares you for what comes next. Now, read the job description carefully. Identify the required skills, qualifications, and responsibilities. Highlight the keywords and make sure you meet most of the requirements before you apply. Update and tailor your resume to match that description. Emphasize relevant coursework, projects, tools, and achievements. Mirror the keywords you found so the resume screening systems recognize your fit. And keep it clear, concise, and results focused. When you're ready, click Apply Now. Some roles let you apply on Glassdoor. Others redirect to the company site. Double check your resume and contact details before you hit submit. Finally, track every application and prepare for interviews. Keep a simple list with job titles, companies, dates, and next steps. Use Glassdoor's interview questions to practice your responses and build confidence. Stay consistent and apply to multiple companies. Quick reminder, research the company first, update your resume, then apply. That simple order boosts your chances. Thanks for watching.